Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download Google Play Store apps on PC. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, open up any browser on your device and search for BlueStacks. Now select the first link as shown here. From here, tap on Download BlueStacks. Wait for it to get load. Now as you can see, BlueStacks is downloaded in your device. From here, tap on Install Now. And then wait till it gets downloaded. After it's done, open BlueStacks. From here, you have to select Google Play Store. Now you can select any mobile games you want. Or you can tap on the search bar. Now to show you, I am searching Subway Surfers. And the interface will pop up. And you can install the app to play this mobile game in your PC. So that wraps up this tutorial.